involves 11 phases, and every step of the way is important, is pivotal for the success of the mission. Tell us what are your expectations for this mission, and which part will be the most important or difficult?
Well, as you mentioned, I always be witness of the important moment for China's space activities, and I always recognize it is my honor to introduce our space missions to the whole world. And also, I recognize it as my duty as a technician from the China space field to have this responsibility to tell the public how important it is, how necessary it is of our space missions. As you mentioned, that's the several years before in 2020 we conducted the Chang'e 5 mission. Just until now, before this Long March 6 mission, the Chang'e 5 mission is the most complicated mission in China aerospace because it has so many steps. So that at that moment, the Chang'e 6 probe is a backup of Chang'e 5, which means if anything wrong, any problem may happen to the Chang'e 5 mission. So after we have find what is wrong and we got improvement, we can in a short period, we can launch the Long March 6 and conduct the sample return from near side of the moon. But that the Chang'e 5 is a perfect mission and a complete success. So after that, the role of Chang'e 6 changed this time. So as Sun Ye mentioned, we will get samples from far side of the moon. Just 4 hours before, in Global Watch, I have already talked with your colleague Song Ning that we both have challenges and opportunities. So for the challenges, that for the Chang'e 5 mission is already the most complex mission we conducted before. But this time, although the Chang'e 6, from the view of hardware, it's quite similar to the Chang'e 5, all composed of 4 spacecraft. From the bottom to up is the orbiter, the returner, the lander, and the ascender. So 4 spacecraft. But it is more complex than the Chang'e 5 mission. That you asked which is the most dangerous or risky part. From my view of a technician, the most important or the most risky part will be the lunar orbit rendezvous, which means that the 2 spacecraft rendezvous and dock together in the circumlunar orbit. So that
extreme high velocity.
Extremely important, extremely risky, and so high requirement. That many people doubt about whether the Apollo program is true or not. One thing is that that in 1960 or 1970s, it's almost unbelievable that the human being can conduct a docking in the cislunar orbit. That on the lower orbit, we already have many special coverage on the docking of Shenzhou and the Tiangong space station. That's already very difficult. But that docking and rendezvous on the lunar orbit more than 380,000 kilometers from the Earth, that's more difficult. And that's because we don't have much support for the, especially navigation, which means that the determination of the position and the velocity of the spacecraft. So the measure of the velocity and the position will be the first step for us to get the right operation. Now you already seen the launch pad and also our Long March 5B launch vehicle. So also, as you mentioned, the launch will be the first step. But this is only the first step. So we have more critical steps during the whole process, and each one is critical for us. Right. And if anything wrong happens to one certain step, we cannot do the others later. So this is why it is so challenging.
Now, as we're watching live feed from the launch pad in Wenchang, we could see this big rocket, the Long March 5 carrier rocket. That's China's strongest carrier rocket.
And the most powerful one.
That's right. And it's sitting there quietly at the launch pad. But then it's going to start this epic journey lasting for about 53 days. Let's talk about the rocket itself. It has a successful track record, as Sun Ye just mentioned, launching not only the Chang'e missions, but also
文昌各号1小时准备完毕。 文昌到，北京请讲。文昌明白。讲。明白。讲。明白。讲。明白。讲。明白。讲。明白。讲。明白。讲。明白。各号注意，我是文昌，1分钟准备。50秒。40秒。30秒。20秒。10、9、8、7，动3分，2.8秒，522毫秒。各号注意，我是文昌，第2次综合检查停，收集第2次综合检查及30分钟准备情况。景山、华山、陵水、厦门、龙楼、通过岭、七沙、 拼栏。明白。下半讲。明白。落后讲。明白。其他讲。明白。西南讲。明白。我是文昌，景山请讲。文昌明白。我是文昌，华山请讲。文昌明白。同贵讲。明白。北京文昌报告。全区做好30分钟，准备完毕。1号文昌报告。全区做好30分钟，准备完毕。请示由中央下达15分钟准备及后续口令。文昌明白。各号注意，沟通中央与文昌人事调度，龙楼。同步令。
呀，明白。文昌中央报告，
我是文昌，中央请讲。
阵地30分钟准备好。
文昌明白。
110，脱落空调连接器。呀，明白。
中央，我是文昌。
中央到，文昌请讲。
全区做好30分钟，准备完毕。15分钟准备及后续口令由你下达。
中央明白。各号注意，15分钟准备。
各号注意，我是文昌，15分钟准备调度自动波，景山、
180，
华山、
3次去等电。
流水、厦门、龙楼、东贵、西沙、青兰。
呀，明白。呀，明白。180，不落。 降，礼拜。各号注意，10分钟准备
，10分钟准备。
礼拜。礼拜。各号注意，6分钟准备。各号注意，5分钟准备
，5分钟准备。各号注意，3分钟准备。各号注意，2分钟准备。210摆杆摆开。
最后注意，1分钟准备。
1分钟准备。
50秒。
50秒。
40秒。
40秒。
30秒。
30秒。
20秒。
20秒。
10、9、8、7、6、5、4、3、2、1，点火。
点火。起飞。距离200时200分29秒，双开2秒。距离200时200分29秒，双开2秒。程序转换。建立遥测信号正常。文昌雷达定位正常，遥测信号正常，文昌飞行正常。文昌雷达定位正常，遥测信号正常，文昌飞行正常。阵地315飞过正常。同位遥测信号正常。317飞过正常。文昌雷达定位正常，遥测信号正常，文昌飞行正常。阵地遥测信号正常。助飞器关机，助飞器分离。同位遥测信号正常。流水3901飞过正常。7杀313飞过正常。文昌雷达飞过正常，遥测信号正常，文昌飞行正常。317飞过正常。7杀324飞过正常。